Good
Hello there.
morning, Dean, and good evening here.
Good morning.
Yes,
Good evening.
I know you're freezing cold in New York.
Yes, we are. It's cold.
Okay.
It's
When you
0.
were talking to me last night before I closed, I did review a letter of intent from the buyer. And he is asking CIF destination in Dubai. Right. So he's
Correct.
looking for gold origin South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, and Sierra Leone. The problem with this buyer, Dean, is asking CIF cost insurance and freight only. It's not applicable
Correct.
because this is FOB, bank to bank
Yes.
transfer. Mhm. So, how did you get this letter of intent?
I received it through a a potential buyer from a colleague sourcing for a buyer.
Okay. So, that buyer's agent, where he coming from?
The buyer's agent is coming from West Africa.
I see. So, he is also searching for gold on behalf of his buyer. Is that right?
Correct.
So his buyer based in Dubai. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. Tell your buyer's agent that you are talking to Wilhelmina. I would love to meet his buyer in Dubai because I'm flying to Dubai. I'm assisting this buyer that already signed a contract to my head office in Conakry, and I would love to meet this buyer so that I can educate this buyer.
Mhm.
Impossible this buyer will get gold cost insurance and freight.
I
Impossible.
agree.
Because Dubai has a restriction at the moment. When the buyer buy gold in Africa, he should have a certificate of money laundering that his money is clean. Because Dubai has been used by the smuggler and the gold launderer. So the Bank of Dubai is getting strict as well. Mhm. So tell your buyer's agent that you were talking to Mrs. Ford, and if he has time, I would let you know when I'm going to fly and schedule. Then I could meet this buyer to explain to him. Impossible he would get gold to bring it to him without knowing his credential properly. Mm.
Okay. Yeah.
We can supply to anybody, but the buyer has to meet the criteria. Mm-hmm. Right. It says here on this letter of intent, the procedure as per seller procedure accepted, but there are 3 points to be adjusted. No brink to brink, no bank instrument here in UAA due to central bank restriction. Correct. Guaranteed we can give is security check with with agreed amount deposit at a lawyer's office. It wouldn't work. Why it wouldn't work then? The buyer has to sign a contract between the buyer and the seller. How many quantity that the buyer needs and what mode of payment. And the buyer has to show his credential like business registration, importation license, the proof of fund that he has $1 million is standby in his bank account. and
Mm.
money laundering certificate. Without that, he wouldn't be able to get the gold from us. Mhm. So you have to go back to your buyer's agent that they have to comply, and because Dubai is getting strict, and also Africa is getting strict because Africa has a lot of problem going on, buyers and sellers trying to cut corner, and at the end of the day, the buyer lost money and also the seller lost gold. So vice versa. Mm.
I
So
agree. Yes.
you agree on that, Dean?
Yes.
And the buyer wanted to get the gold in Ghana,
Yes.
but Ghana has also changed. The government has changed. You wouldn't get the gold in Ghana if CIF, because you need to put the gold to the government agency and you need to pay for it. It wouldn't work. There are so many gold in Ghana smuggled from Cameroon, smuggled from Liberia, smuggled from Sierra Leone. They bring it to Ghana. So there's a lot. But how are you able to get the gold if the owner of the gold has no license? So he has to find a local licensee to conduct it.
Mm.
So who is the victim here? Both parties. Mm.
Yes.
So that's it. That is why I review it. Remember, you said to me, Wilhelmina, can you review the letter of intent? I did review
Yes.
some of the wordings acceptable, but the problem is CIF cost insurance and freight is not applicable.
Yes, ma'am.
This is cash business.
Yeah.
Anything you want to add to our conversation?
Um, that there's a lot of buyers out there looking for CIF, which is just, you're right, it's just a cash business, and these are hallmarks or indications that it's just corrupt business, or more than corrupt business. It's just not business when it's coming to CIF, because it just won't work. You're right. It's cash
Exactly.
business. It
This
must be
is
bank to bank
mhm.
to be
This is
legitimate.
$1 million worth of business, Dean. So the buyer has to prove that he has $1 million instead of
Right.
using CIF cost insurance and freight only. So therefore, that buyer has a limited cash flow.
Yes.
That is normal. Everybody has to pay the gold, or when you buy anything, you have to pay for it. That is
Yes.
normal. Hmm.
Yes. CIF is just seems to be just an indication of smuggling.
Correct.
Um,
Correct. Indication of smuggling and laundering. Correct. Yes.
Unfortunate, but
Mhm.
that's the reality. It seems right now it's just anyone anyone asking for CIF is just is an indicator. Um, just stay away. Wilhelmina, you are the only person providing an education to everybody. Um, I think most people, everyone should pay attention.
Mhm.
CIF is a trap.
It is a trap to sellers and also trap to the buyer. I'll give you a really a good educational for you to understand. You've been following me 2 years already, right? 2 to 3 years. And
Correct.
if you really read and listen to my platform on YouTube, the full corporate offer is very clear and concise. Now, if you
Yes.
analyze that, 100% guaranteed you will get a good transaction. 100%. Only if when you talk to any third party, you need to educate that you have to ask them how long you've been talking to your buyer and what mode of payment is your buyer. Three questions you have to ask, and then you can analyze it. So if they're gonna say, "Oh, Dean, we are buying CIF," and then you're gonna ask, "Why you want CIF?" You mean to say you have a deficiency of cash flow? Is that right? So you have to strike the question right and there, so that the third party would also be aware, because the third party, he doesn't know what he's doing. He's not. So you as the follower on my platform, you need to analyze you have, what's on my video, because time to time I update my video because the price today is getting higher. Don't you know the price of gold today is 88,500?
Wow.
Wow. I warn
Almost
everybody.
90.
Yes, 88,000, so almost 90,000.
Mm.
So those buyer asking is BLC, letter of credit, CIF, that kind of buyer, to be honest with you, Din, that kind of buyer is a poor guy. Why I consider him poor? Gold is for rich. Gold is for elite buyer that have $1 million. That kind of buyer, he's a buyer. He's a registered business in Dubai, but he has a limited cash. He's going to leverage and going to launder. That is really very dangerous to the seller. The seller might lose his gold. My seller also already lost his gold. Hmm. So that's all. Any more question that you want to ask?
Um, no, ma'am. Other than uh, your your procedure spells it out very clearly, and if the buyer just follows the procedure, everything will be fine.
That's correct. Hmm. So you go back to the person that you have been dealing, that tell him that Mrs. Ford is traveling this month, and if his buyer is really serious, I would love to see him, but we don't bring gold to him.
Sure.
I would love to meet him. I would love to have a cup of coffee in the hotel. I only stop over in Dubai. Mhm.
Okay.
And because I have to assist the buyer is paying my services in order for him to assist, because this buyer is also scared he might lose his money. So I told him,
Hmm.
I'm gonna come with you, be confident, and I would arrive the day before you arrive, so that when you arrive, everything is spot on. That is normal. Hmm. The buyer already pay my services, and my services then is non-refundable. Hmm. I I do charge $20,000. Hmm. So those,
Understand.
if the buyer cannot afford to pay my services, therefore the buyer cannot afford to pay the gold. Simple as that.
Hmm.
Mm. But don't be disappointed. Keep going. Every day is a learning process. But unfortunately, your network didn't meet the criteria. Mm.
Yes.
So you're happy for
Thank
that?
you, Alina.
You're happy for that then?
Um, I'm not happy that that, that the the buyers kind of fake,
Yeah.
but and exposing himself. But I'm happy that that you we can see through it through
Yeah.
his document.
Hi-
Um,
His
I'm
document,
happy
yeah,
that you
go ahead.
wanted to meet him,
Mhm.
but
Is it buyer Abdullah Alaramin
uh, Mohammed, right?
Muhammad? Is
Yes,
he a buyer or just next to the buyer?
he's next to the buyer.
I see. Tell Muhammad that Wilmina willing to meet you in Dubai.
Okay,
He doesn't need to be
thank you,
scared,
ma'am.
and I'm willing, because gold is an investment. This buyer has to invest half a million or $1 million. So I need to meet him. I need to discuss business further so that he would not encounter disaster at the end of the day. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Wilhelmina. I appreciate that.
So keep learning and visit my platform and listen to the video. I'm I'm updating my platform on YouTube because I'm explaining about the price of gold. I think the gold will turn to 3,500 or 3,300 per ounce, meaning to say $112,000 per kilo. On 3,300 per ounce of times 30 15 could be 106.95. Could be. Mhm. So only the real buyer that have money can afford. Now we are now on $88,000 500. So next month or the end of this month could be 3,000 per ounce. On 3,000 per ounce, okay, could be 96,450 per kilo. Can you imagine that? I warned everyone 3 years ago because I've been reading Kitco, so that I could share to the world. I warned them that bank now while you can still afford, because there is a tendency that the gold will rise skyrocket. So I was right. Mm. But there's a lot of buyer then. There's a lot.
Mm.
There's a lot of hungry buyer. But this buyer that this agent, yeah, he didn't service his buyer. He didn't educate his buyer properly. Mm. So I would love to meet the buyer in Dubai. I would love to.
Okay.
I'm ready to travel anyway. So go ahead then.
Thank you, Wilhelmina. I will contact once I get off the telephone. I will contact the buyer's representative and make arrangements and set a date for his availability to you.
I only stop over in Dubai din overnight, but when I return from my transaction, yes, I'm going to stay longer to Dubai going back to Australia.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you, Wilhelmina. I will keep in contact with you throughout your travels to
Yes, I will let you
visit
know.
me.
I will let you know
Okay.
when I'm flying going to Dubai. I will let you know when is my departure so that you're gonna be aware. Okay?
Thank you.
So
Yes.
don't be frustrated. And this is life. Business is challenging and unfortunate that your buyer didn't meet the criteria.
Sure.
Okay?
Thank you, Wilhelmina.
All right. Thank you,
Thank you.
Dean. Kadin bye. Good evening, everyone. Today is January 23. Now, my platform is very unique. Wilhelmina's platform on YouTube and on Facebook. 2025, you will no longer keep on collecting FCO procedure. If you really paying attention watching this video, and after you watch this video, the procedure is already on this video. I want you to read and digest it properly, comprehend, because my platform is very concise and very unique. No such broker explaining to you like this. Now, whoever watch this video, guaranteed you gain knowledge. Knowledge worth $1 million. I don't mind sharing my vast knowledge because when you sell, you need to know the product knowledge. I've been in marketing for 36 years in my life, and I used to be in real estate. And my performance in real estate is really very good. I was top salesperson. Okay, so I was the one who brought this to the world. I was the one who promote Africa because I'm cleaning Africa. There's a lot of foreigner travel to Kenya, travel to Kampala, travel to Ghana, travel to Sierra Leone, travel to Mali, travel to Congo, travel to Tanzania, travel anywhere searching for precious mineral. You are searching the world asset. But if you are searching the world asset that you don't have financial capacity, 100% guarantee you are going to end into disaster. Believe me, there's a lot of buyers that lose money because they think that they can get the gold pay taxes. My dear, you cannot just pay taxes without paying the gold. The owner of the gold would not give you certificate of clearance that his gold is free of illegal activities. There's certain document that you need before the gold leave the country of origin. And you as the buyer, make sure you have capacity to pay because this is not CIF. The meaning of CIF means cost insurance and freight only. You don't have the cash. You have a deficiency of cash. Why not pay the gold? Here in Australia, I buy groceries, pay the groceries plus government sales tax. Our government sales tax here is 10%. In Africa, the government sales tax in Mali 7%, in Conakry 7%, or 6%, in Sierra Leone 6%. So every country, the government sales tax is different. That is an income of the country. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, I'm gonna buy gold bullion. Gold bullion is already refined. You can buy that to the central bank of your country, no discount. Most of the big company they travel to Africa, they are buying raw materials, which is doribar. They smelt it, they make into different uses. I'm not going to expand it anymore because I'm not here to teach you. You as an elite buyer, you understand that you are buying to invest into gold in order for you to get the profit. Yes, gold is profitable business. Put your money in the bank, 3% a year interest. You invest in gold, every bar you get the profit of 6,500 every bar. So which one you like? You increase your order 20 kilos, 100 kilos, your profit is handsome rather than putting money in the bank. Why Australian mining company is in Africa? Mining, they were given by the government tax incentive. Why Canadian? Why German? Why Italian? Why Indian is in Africa? Why Chinese is in Africa? Why Russia is positioning their business in Africa? And you as the investor, the small investor, you also positioning your money, but you need to convince Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina is the gatekeeper of the seller. You must remember, I do charge my services. Okay, when I travel with you, I make sure that you are guided properly. But my services is not for free. I've given you free already, half, 50% free information. This knowledge is worth $1 million I give away. But when I travel, is different scenario. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service to assist you to be with you on the ground, meaning to say you cannot afford to pay the gold what you are investing. You are going to try to smuggle. You are going to launder. You must remember, laundering business is very difficult and very dangerous business. Joycey, good evening, Joycey.
Good morning, how are you?
It's good. So when is your buyer available?
I don't know. I didn't speak to him yesterday since I haven't spoken to him since 2 days now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't spoken to him. Yeah. I hope maybe I wish maybe I could call, yeah, because today I have a surgery on my knee,
Oh,
on my knees.
we will
Thank
catch
you.
up and take good care of yourself. All right.
Yeah, thank you very
All right.
much.
Thanks, Josie. Bye.
Yeah.
I have have another letter of intent landed into my hand today. Two letter of intent. Upon reviewing this letter of intent, this guy is from Johannesburg. His letter of intent is very, very interesting. Interesting means didn't meet the criteria. Why they didn't meet the criteria? Again, they are asking CIF to bring it to Dubai. And this agent from Johannesburg didn't comprehend properly what is CIF. CIF cost insurance and freight. And this buyer asking on his letter of interest that the seller has to pay the cost to send the gold to Dubai. And they will assay the gold to the refinery of his, meaning to say, this letter of intent is rubbish. To me, would be on the wheel bin. Why? Gold is money. Why are we gonna bring the gold to a stranger? Now this letter of intent is cut and paste solicitation. That is the reason why I put Africa to the world. That is the reason why my platform on YouTube and on Facebook is very unique. Why it's unique? I put everything, the procedure, what buyer will comply before he will get the gold. Now, Mr. Buyer, you are going to land into Wilhelmina. This is letter of intent. Every day I receive letter of intent, cut and paste. They hide the identity of the buyer. See only the name from Johannesburg, no contact to verify. This is big no-no to me. Can you see when I update the price, I put my contact where I came from, my email. That is how we do business. Now, I think you are going to fail if you are not very careful dealing with this woman. Why? I'm very thorough. I'm cleaning Africa. That is why I put everything on digital way of information. Now this morning I have a conference. So well, Amina, I have been seeing you for ages. Used to be you were on LinkedIn. And I told this gentleman, I get out from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a good site to connect people. LinkedIn is professional. But LinkedIn has been mixed with joker broker, time waster. So I get out. So I told this gentleman, I'm no longer on LinkedIn. I close it. I prepare to deal directly to the buyer, communicate with the buyer directly with open conversation. Now we are now on digital way of information. Most of the joker broker, I call them joker because they collect information. That's fine, you collect information because I'm the only person who put the real information on how are you able to purchase the gold properly. Now, the price of gold, just a moment. The price of gold today is January 23. Okay. All right. The price of gold is 88,345.36 per ounce is 2,747.85. Now you're gonna see, well, Amina, what is the price? Please open your eyes. What is the price? When you see this video and when you click my platform on Facebook, the price is already there. I don't need to tell the price. What you have to do, you have to read it. You have to digest it. Because when you come for conference, meaning to say, you are ready to do business with Wilhelmina. I am the gatekeeper. The seller hired Wilhelmina to market to the world. I promote Africa. I was the one who promote Africa. You wouldn't find a person like Wilhelmina. Is very frank and brutal. Her face are everywhere. You gain knowledge out of this video. I just finished interviewing the guy. He followed my platform. I feel sorry for him. He said to me, you know, this gold business, Wilhelmina, it's a headache. And I told him, don't be involved in this business because really it's a headache. If you are just brokering, is it a headache? You will not earn money on this gold business unless the buyer is real. Why? The buyers are clever as well. Hmm. We are now on the digital. Buyer doesn't need chain of joker. Buyer doesn't need chain of middlemen. He has the phone. He has a Wi-Fi. He has an internet. He can search on YouTube. He can search on Facebook. My face is here. What you have to do, you watch the video properly, click below and subscribe. If you don't want to make a comment, that is fine. You come for conference, let us discuss live video call conference. Now yesterday, there was a guy from London. He said that he knows me. And I told him, if you know me, how come you just come to Wilhelmina? Mhm. And he was being frustrated, securing gold. He wanted to bring the gold to Dubai, and I told him, you have to convince Wilhelmina. Mhm. Because I'm telling you, you are going to be rejected if you didn't meet the criteria. He was laughing. He was laughing with me, and I told him, don't laugh because I'm serious. If you don't meet the criteria, guaranteed you're gonna be rejected because it's very clear. You have the $1 million, we have the gold. And he was laughing and he said, I have the buyer. Can you see that? He said he's a buyer. See, he said he has a buyer. Oh my gosh. So he's also a joker buyer. I called him joker. So Mr. Buyer, I will put the price after I close this conversation. I just finished talking to Dean, and his network didn't meet the criteria because I read it, and the CIF it is not applicable in Africa. It's not. This is cash business. Okay. Once again, may I say good evening to everyone. And I was being interrupted by a message pop up into my screen. That's why I post. There was a gentleman from Holland, and he said that he just sent me a message and pop up into my screen. So I was reading. He said he was been frustrated searching for gold, and he didn't get nowhere. So I told him, probably you did not convince the person that you have been dealing, and you're just thinking that the gold will come to Holland. It wouldn't work. Mhm. You need to travel in order to establish your business relationship with us. And before you travel, you need to have a contract of your order. Okay? The order must be at least 10 to 20 kilos. If you don't have half a million or 1 million, don't bother to be involved in this gold business because this is money. You need to have a capital. You need to invest in a proper way. In return, you will get substantial profit only if you have a capital. You would not get the profit if you're asking CIF to deliver to you. It wouldn't work. So this guy from Holland, he sent me a message pop up into my screen while I'm having live. He was frustrated. That is not my business. That is his problem. Because he think that he can get gold in Africa for nothing. Gold is not for free. Hmm. But anyway, I just finished having an interview with Dean, and I review the letter of interest, and I have a lot of LOI cut and paste. Didn't meet the criteria. Only real buyer meet the criteria. Now, Mr. Buyer, how are you able to meet the criteria? It's very clear and simple, really. First of all, you watch this video. Then after you watch this video, subscribe and click below. Okay? Read the full corporate offer. After you read the full corporate offer, that is the time you come for conference. Meaning to say, you comprehend what you are reading on full corporate offer. I don't send full corporate offer anymore. I put everything, what necessary requirement you're going to comply. Number one, after you read the full corporate offer on this video, I need to see your business registration. I need to see your importation license. I need to see your passport copy. I need to see your money laundering certificate. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. Really, I wouldn't. What a waste of time. Yes, you did register your business, but you need to apply into your country that you are going to buy valued goods. That money laundering certificate will signify that your money is clean. It would signify that you are not involved on drug activities. Because when you transfer the payment from your bank account to the seller's bank account, you are going to be asked by your bank manager, why are you transferring money in Africa? Africa is a red flag of gold laundering as well. Mhm. So you need to have a contract with us. You need to show the contract to your bank manager that you are buying valued goods. That is the secret. That is a real business transaction. Now, when you send it to Wilhelmina will review that. Then I'm going to advise my seller, I have reviewed this buyer. Let us proceed. Now, I will determine which seller I'm going to place you, Mr. Buyer, either in Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. If you are from Dubai, Conakry is the best for you because direct flight. But if you want tons of gold, if you are from Europe, Mali is good for you and Sierra Leone. But do not travel without preparation. You need this lady to be with you on the ground. Why you need this lady? I've been to Africa. Sellers are stubborn. Seller can reject you. And seller is very rough. They are very rough. They only think about money. They don't care about you. But I do care. I do my homework before you arrive. You are paying my services. My services is not for free when I travel. I'm giving you free knowledge, free already, worth $500,000 or worth $1 million already. No one is giving you this kind of knowledge. Nobody. Even joker broker. Nobody. Even the seller would not give you this kind of knowledge. Nah. The seller said, okay, here's my gold. Where's your money? Mr. Buyer, you're buying $1 million here. You need a good facilitator. What is the cause of the country have a war, civil war? Because a negotiator didn't negotiate properly. If a negotiator fail, you're also going to fail. Now, my extra service, Mr. Buyer, is peanuts. You're spending $500,000. You're spending $1 million. If you cannot afford my services to accompany you, meaning to say you cannot afford to pay the gold. So better stay away, keep your money and put that in the bank, 3% interest a year in gold. Every bar, you get the profit, $6,000 to $7,000 per kilo. If you buy 10 or 20 kilos, $7,000 times 20, your investment, your profit is this. But you need to invest money first. You need to show us that you have a capital before you get this profit. Regardless of the world market price, our selling price less 8%. tax included. Mr. Buyer, pay attention properly. Read the full corporate offer on this video. Click below, subscribe, then you come back when you are ready. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I just finished reviewing this letter of interest. Failed. It is cut and paste. I need to see the buyer. I need to interview the buyer before we are going to respond to the buyer. Before the buyer receive the confirmation and the contract and the company profile of the seller. Mrs. Ford is the gatekeeper. Mrs. Ford has the power to say yes or no. Mrs. Ford has the power to renegotiate the price. It doesn't matter if it's 8%. You convince Mrs. Ford, yes, you will get a really good price. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.